Lot number 518 is a 2011 Ford F-350 XL utility truck. This one has 51,000 miles. 6.2 liter V8 sounds good. I've had it running for about 30 minutes. It has not overheated. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages and the AC blows cold. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear it. Let me show you the miles. There you are, 51,630. 51,000 original miles. AC's blowing cold. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. Front bumper has some scrapes and dents. Headlight on the passenger side is broken right there. The hood has some dents and scrapes. Minor dents, little scrapes. Little dents right there. Tires look good. It's got all matching steel wheels. Driver's door has a couple of little dents, no big deal. Utility bed has damage on the first cabinet right here. Something tore right through the metal there. Cabinet door still opens and closes. Let's see the rear one. Rear bumper has some dents. It appears to be solid. It's got a heavy duty tow hitch. There's a lot of rust in the floor back here. There's holes right through it. So the floor in the utility bed is rusty. Here's the passenger side. Check the cabinet doors. Cabinets all appear to be in good shape. All the doors open and close. The utility bed does show wear and tear. The cab looks good. There's the passenger side. Again, very minor little door dings. Let me show you inside. Alright, the door panels show a little fading. It appears to be missing the plastic cover right here. The steering wheel shows wear. The AC is blowing ice cold. Dashboard is not cracked. I showed you the miles. All the gauges appear to be working. Seats look good. It's got some tears on the side, the driver's seat. It's got a small tear up here. Center console armrest looks good. Headliner looks good. This truck will need a good cleaning inside. There's an inverter included, an M1000 power inverter. Unknown if it works or not. It's included. All right, there you have it. It's a Ford F-350 utility truck. It's a single cab utility truck. Dually. Got 4 wheels in the rear. 6.2 liter with only 51,000 miles. It's got ice cold AC. It's lot number 518. Lot number 518. Good luck.